My name is S.K. Sharma from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Aligarh. My topic is surface formula for a concave surface. Now here, consider a concave surface and there is a denser medium, there is a rare medium. So I can say medium first, its refractive index is mu1, and this is suppose medium second, its refractive index is mu2. Now O is a point object. The ray reaches from point object O to the surface, and we draw a normal up to n, and this ray will bend towards normal, and this ray will assume to emerge out from I. I is the image. Alpha, beta and gamma are angles with object, image and center of curvature, and this is the normal. Normal goes from center of curvature. This is normal, right? Okay. Angle between incidence ray and normal is I. So this angle is I and angle is R. Okay. So if this angle is R, so angle I, and here we can assume as N, M, and this is P. So I, N, M, I, N, C, R, and O, N, C, I, incidence angle, angle of refraction. Okay. Now the surface formula, when we simplify this, we find in our notes mu upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to mu minus 1 upon R. We will see this formula is just differ from NCERT, but this formula will reach to the NCERT formula in this way. Mu is, it means ray move from medium first to second. So mu means 1 mu2, and 1 mu2 means mu2 upon mu1. So we can give here mu2 upon mu1 into V minus 1 by U is equals to mu2 upon mu1 minus 1 upon R. So you can say mu2 upon mu1 into V minus multiply and divide by mu1 here, mu1 upon mu1 into V is equal to mu2 minus mu1 upon mu1 into R. Now taking common or LCM here, 1 upon mu1. So 1 by mu1, what we find? mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon mu2, this is U. Okay, this is so mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon mu1 into R. mu1 to mu1 cancel. So the formula is mu2 upon V minus mu1 upon U is equals to mu2 minus mu1 upon R. This is surface formula for this surface, and we can similarly find surface formula for a convex surface or every case. Now my topic next is the lens maker formula. Lens maker formula. Lens. Every lens is made by two surfaces. This is first surface and this is second surface. First surface radius of curvature is R1, second surface radius of curvature is R2. Now you can remove this first. This is object, ray reaches to first surface. If there is no second surface, so the ray will reach to I1. So I1 is the virtual image of object A at a distance V1. But this image I1 will works as a object for second surface, and second surface makes final image I. Now C1 is the center of curvature for the first surface and C2 is the center of curvature for second surface. Now using surface formula, कौन सा formula? Surface formula for first surface. So what is the surface formula? This is mu upon V minus 1 by U is equals to mu minus 1 by R. But here we can assume medium first. Yeah, okay, you can assume air. For example, air. So air means air, and you can hear is glass. So here the ray move from air to glass. So now here you can say A mu G. A mu G, because ray is moving from air to glass, so you can say A mu G, and here also you can say A mu G. This and radius of curvature is R1. This is equation number first. Now surface formula for second surface. Surface formula for second surface. So what is the surface formula for second surface? G mu A. G mu A, glass to air, upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to G mu A minus 1 upon R. You can say it is R2. But here V, what is the V? Image formed by second surface. Now we review this. Okay, just come here. Using surface formula for first surface. So what is the image for first surface? Image is I1 and this is at a distance V1. So we have to use here V1. Right? Okay. Now for the second surface, in the diagram for the second surface, what is object? I1. This I1 formed by first surface, image of first surface, image formed by first surface will works as a object for second surface. So this I1 will works as an object. So we can use here V1 in place, and this is V, right? But G mu A, is equals to 1 upon A mu G. So we can rearrange here in this equation. We can change G mu A. So what we can say? 1 upon A mu G into V minus 1 by V1 is equals to 1 upon A mu G minus 1 upon R2. Now we can multiply and divide by 1 A mu G here. So what will be here? A mu G, 1 upon A mu G, you can say 1 upon A mu G into 1 upon A mu G into V minus 1 by V1 is equals to 1 minus A mu G upon A mu G into R2. If you have any doubt, you can see here 1 upon A mu G, 1 upon V1, 1 upon A mu G minus 1 upon R2, right? So LCM A mu G here. So see here in this equation. Now multiply and divide by A mu G. So 1 upon A mu G into V minus A mu G upon A mu G into V1 is equals to 1 minus A mu z upon A mu z into R2. Now taking LCM and cancel, so we can find 1 by V minus A mu z upon V1 is equals to 1 minus A mu z upon R2, because A mu z cancel on both sides by in the denominator. This is equation number second, and this is equation number first for first surface, and this is for second surface. Okay, now adding equation first and second. If we add this with that equation, so A mu z upon V1 minus 1 by U plus 1 by V minus A mu z upon V1 is equals to A mu z minus 1 upon R1 plus 1 minus A mu z upon R2. So this term will cancel by this term. So 1 upon V. Finally we can find the Lensmaker formula. What is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equals to A mu z minus 1, and here 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So in simple form, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to mu minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is Lensmaker formula. But 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 upon F. So we can say here Lensmaker formula 1 by F is equals to mu minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Right? Thank you.